India is well known around the world owing to its historical background, diverse cultures and interesting traditions. Its ancient scriptures and texts have been the way of life of its people for thousands of years. Today, the country is taking huge strides in various fields like arts and science, paving a way towards a progressive India. So friends, I'm your host Skyrim, and today in our episode of My India, we will take a look at some of the stories that very well showcase the unique culture and prosperity of our country, stretching from Himalayas to Kanyakumari. India's culture is rooted in colorful traditions that dates back to ancient history. Devasnan Purnima is one among these traditions, which is observed just 15 days prior to world-famous Rath Yatra or Chariot Festival. It is believed that the devotee washes away all his sins if he gets the vision of Lord on this day. Therefore, the occasion attracts lakhs of pilgrims from across the world. But this year, amid coronavirus pandemic, only the priests were allowed to perform the rituals. Have a look.
Priest in Puri city of Odisha recently bathed the deities of famed Lord Jagannath temple to mark the auspicious occasion of Devasnanam Purnima. Believed to be one of the oldest and exclusive festivals of Lord Jagannath, on this holy occasion, the idols are escorted from the Ratna Simhasan located in the Sanctum Sanctorum of the Puri Jagannath temple and are brought to Snan Bedi early in the morning. This procession called Pahandi is observed on full moon day of the Jyesht month, in which deities are bathed with 108 pitchers of herbal and aromatic water that is taken from the well present inside the Jagannath temple. Earlier, this occasion was one of the liveliest events, but this year, with no general public allowed, as a measure to prevent virus spread, the whole compound was lying barren with none to cheer.
General public was not allowed as per government guideline for darshan. But Sevayats who were part of ritual, we took extra precautions, especially we took everyone's COVID test and we found all negative, and then second we had oriented each and every Sevayat in last 6 days with the help of health department.
The rituals performed during the occasion are maintained in the Niladri Mahodaya, a religious text written in Oriya language. As per the Skand Puran, Raja Indrayuma said this bathing ceremony when he installed the wooden deities in the temple. After the bathing ritual, the deities are attired in Gajanan Vesh or elephant dress, which too has its own significance.
एक भक्त कर्नाटक से, दक्षिण भारत से यहाँ पैदल चलते चलते आया था। ये सुना था कि यहाँ पर गजानन ब्रह्म का दर्शन होता है। जब ये देखा जगन्नाथ जी को तो अपना मन में दुख हुआ कि मैं इतना श्रम करके यहाँ आया, लेकिन मेरा जो परमेश्वर है, गजानन भगवान है, उनका दर्शन नहीं मिला। तो भगवान तो होते हैं मनवांछा भक्तवांछा कल्पतरु। वो भक्तों को थोड़ी दूर से वो जब चला जा रहा था, उसको ला कर आया और बोला, अभी देखो तेरा भगवान अभी गजानन वेश में दर्शन देते हैं।
This tradition has been alive in India for over 600 years and is observed just prior to the world-renowned Rath Yatra, in which devotees take Lord Jagannath, his brother Lord Balabhadra and his sister Lady Subhadra in specially made chariots to Gundika temple, 2 kilometers away from the Puri temple.
As the Indian government is busy battling coronavirus pandemic, the citizens too are not behind in extending their support and making sure that the poor survive even through these hard times. People across faiths have been coming to the forefront and helping the needy. A similar scene was witnessed in Aligarh city of Uttar Pradesh, where an organization rising above religious lines is feeding the hungry souls. Have a look.
In a bid to ward off hunger woes, various individuals and organizations across the country have been distributing food and grocery items to the needy since the Prime Minister has imposed nationwide lockdown. One among them is Aligarh-based Manav Upkar Kitchen, who has eliminated all social and cultural woes and proved that humanity is above all caste and religions. The kitchen is distributing food to people regardless of their caste, community, religion or social background.
21 मार्च से जो है जनता कर्फ्यू प्रारंभ हुआ, क्योंकि कोविड-19 जो महामारी है उसके अंतर्गत तमाम लोग परेशान हो गए। उसके लिए मानवकार संस्था के मानव सेवकों ने हार नहीं मानी और सभी समुदाय के लोगों ने मिलजुल कर, किसी ने कोई आटा लेकर आया, कोई चावल लेकर आया, किसी ने दाल दी और किसी ने कुछ जो है पूरी सेकी।
Started in the year 2000, the organization was founded by the people from all religious backgrounds with the motive to feed the hungry and serve the cause. The term Manav Upkar translates to benefit of the humankind, and therefore this organization tries to help as many citizens as possible regardless of their socio-cultural backgrounds in various ways. They even perform the last rites of unclaimed bodies as the religion of the deceased to pass on the message that service to humanity is service to God.
एक इकबाल का शेर है, मज़हब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी है हम वतन हिंदुस्तान हमारा। यही हमारी जो संस्था है मानव उपकार की, यही बेसिक्स है, उसका निचोड़ जो है यही है। मैंने देखा इस संस्था के अंदर के हर मज़हब का आदमी, हिंदू हो, मुसलमान हो, सिख हो, ईसाई हो, और हर मज़हब के लिए, यानी जैसे मानव उपकार जो लावारिस लाशों के लिए करते हैं, मुस्लिम्स के लिए करते हैं, हिंदूज़ के लिए करते हैं, यानी एक संस्था मैंने देखी, मुझे ताज्जुब होता है कि मैं अखबार ही पढ़ता हूँ, सब कुछ है कि हिंदुस्तान के अंदर एक संस्था है जहाँ पर आपको भाईचारे की एक बहुत ही उत्तम मिसाल मिलेगी।
Currently, the organization has 900 members who are working day and night to help the needy amid the nationwide lockdown and provide them with 2 square meals. They even distribute sevai during Eid and halwa during Hanuman Jayanti in order to honor the beliefs of every religious community. Their act is not just a wonderful example of humanity, but also showcases the harmonious coexistence of different faiths in the country.
Now a roundup of some of the major stories that made news recently.
Mulberry farmers in Kashmir Valley rejoiced at good production owing timely rainfall and good quality fertilizers. Kashmir Valley is known for silk rearing and mulberry plantations. A high yield of mulberry is a glimmer of hope for the farmers who have been struggling for survival during the prevailing testing times.
इंशाल्लाह ऊपर वाले का शुक्र अदा करते हैं कि जो बारिश टाइम पे हुई है उस वजह से हमें बहुत ही फ़ायदा हुआ और तो और हमें उम्मीद है कि इस साल इसको बहुत सारे हमें भी इससे कीमतें बहुत अच्छी आएगी।
Mulberry trees, which grow in huge numbers in Kashmir, give double benefit to the farmers, as sericulture also involves the growing of these trees for the leaf, which is food for silkworms.
Artists in Guwahati city of Assam painted coronavirus themed artworks on walls to generate awareness about the deadly virus and appreciate frontline workers. Artists were seen painting the graffiti resembling a microscopic image of coronavirus and urged people to stay at home in a bid to stop the virus from spreading.
हम लोग ये पेंटिंग के थ्रू मतलब लोगों को जागरूक कर रहे हैं कि कैसे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करना है, क्या करना है, और हम लोग थैंक्स भी दे रहे हैं सभी वॉरियर्स को जो भी हमने इस कोरोना में पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं। उन लोग को हम लोग हेल्प जो कर रहे हैं उनको धन्यवाद दे रहे हैं।
Amid coronavirus outbreak, creativity seems to be at its peak as artists across the country are coming up with a number of overwhelming ideas with an effort to keep corona at bay.
"22-year-old Wasim Ahmed Nadaf from Srinagar city of Jammu and Kashmir is hogging limelight with his low-cost ventilator which he made out of scrap items. In the present scenario, when the whole country is in the grip of coronavirus, Wasim innovation is no less than a boon for the patients.
So there are multiple parts. कुछ parts मैंने कंप्यूटर से निकाले हैं, कुछ पार्ट्स मैंने VCD प्लेयर से निकाले हैं, कुछ पार्ट्स मेरे घर के इन्वर्टर से निकले हुए हैं। बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं क्योंकि मैं जो भी मेरे रिलेटिव्स है, दोस्त वगैरह है, उनको कह के रखता हूँ कि अगर तुम्हारे घर में कोई चीज़ है पुरानी जो यूज़फुल नहीं है तुम मुझे दे सकते हो। तो मेरे पास ऑलरेडी बहुत सारा स्क्रैप है घर पे जिससे मैंने ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें निकाल के उसको एक परफेक्टली असेंबल करके एक शेप दी थी।
Popularly known as Unique Wasim, among his folks, the young innovator has around 32 innovations to his credit, including a power inverter with 30 minutes charging time and 30 hours backup. Last year, Wasim was also awarded with 1 lakh rupees by Startup India Foundation for his innovations.
A baby recently born at the quarantine center in Manipur has been named Emmanuel Quarantino. Quarantino is the state's first baby to take birth at the quarantine center amid the coronavirus pandemic. The infant's mother, a 27-year-old migrant worker, Nengni Hat, who returned with her husband, Selung Thang from Goa, went into labor at the quarantine facility in the state's Kangpokpi district.
In this critic time, as I expect, no one can help me, but without expecting, I get lots of help and support, So I'm very happy to get baby name as Quarantino, So we decide to call him as Emmanuel Quarantino.
Earlier in April, twins born during the nationwide lockdown in central Chhattisgarh state were named as Corona and COVID. To me, India is a land of beauty and generosity, of traditional hospitality and the acceptance of many cultures. These words by Vijay Lakshmi Pandit have been proved right by the Indians from time to time. There are several initiatives taken by the people in order to serve humanity by working above religious lines, and Roti Ghar is one such initiative. Have a look.
A complete meal in just ₹1. It sounds too good to be true. But a canteen in Hubli, Karnataka is providing an entire meal for the set price. It is with the sheer motive of eradicating poverty that Mahavir Youth Foundation started the Roti Ghar 6 years ago. People belonging to different religions and castes come here and have their lunch at just ₹1.
भारतवर्ष में अन्नदान को एक महादान कहा गया है। उसी तरह हमारे जैन समाज में भी हम अन्नदान को महादान समझते हैं। भूखे को रोटी खिलाना, प्यासे को पानी पिलाना, ये हमारे धर्म में सर्वप्रथम है। और हमारा धर्म जो है करुणा का धर्म है। रोटी घर के माध्यम से हम हर धर्म के लोगों का सेवा करते हैं, चाहे वो हिंदू है, मुसलमान है, सिख, ईसाई हैं। किसी व्यक्ति का धर्म देख के हम सेवा नहीं करते हैं। हम चाहते हैं हम सब एक हैं, उसी उद्देश्य से हम यहाँ पे कार्य करते हैं।
The canteen provides a complete meal which includes chapati, rice, sambar, vegetable curry and even sweets. From small vendors to auto rickshaw drivers to professionals, everyone enjoys the food, which is no way different from home cooked meal.
अभी तक तो बेकार मैं क्या पहले घड़े का नवा अंडे का काम करा था, अब कम ताकत के ऊपर नहीं होता, ये मजबूरी के ऊपर नहीं होता कि खुद घर के लोग घर में रहा तो फिर भी आ गया, मैं खा कर जाता हूँ, मैं खा गया तरक मुझे समाधान नहीं होता।
क्यों आने का मना करते बोले तो क्यों इधर खाना देता है ना, गरीब लोग के खाना देता है, गरीब लोग की खाना दिया तो गरीब लोग आके खाता है, श्रीमंत का लोग कैसे आते हैं।
कितने में आप खाना?
₹1 में मिलता है खाना।
क्या क्या मिलता है खाने में?
के खाने में 2 रोटी चावल खाना अच्छा से मिलता है।
Another specialty is that there is no such cashier at this canteen. The customers are expected to donate ₹1 after enjoying a hearty meal. Though the canteen is small, it does not compromise on the quality and hygiene. The utensils are clean and premise tidy.
जो जैसे घर में बनाते हैं हम खाना, उसी तरह से इधर भी बनाते हैं खाना। और जैसे चावल वगैरह है तो उनको 1-2 बार धो लेते हैं, और सब्जी को मतलब जैसे काट के वगैरह एक जो नॉर्मल रहता ही है खाना बनाने का, उसी तरह से हम लोग खाना बनाते हैं।
डे 1 से हमको अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है, क्योंकि ये जो मार्केट एरिया है ना, इसमें हमारे लोग आते हैं, कोई ड्राइवर्स आते हैं, कोई ट्रक के ड्राइवर्स आते हैं, कोई छोटे मोटे रास्ते पे बेचने वाले आते हैं। तो बेसिकली मार्केट एरिया में रोज़ आना जाना रहता है, और आज की महंगाई के हिसाब से वो होटल में जाके खाना खा तो पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है। और हमारे ऐसा मानना है कि एक अन्न संतर्पण जो रहता है, एक बहुत ही सेवा पुण्य का काम है, हमारे जैन समाज के हिसाब से है। तो उस हिसाब से हम लोग कंटिन्यू इस कार्यक्रम को 6 साल कंटिन्यू हो गए, अभी ये 7वां साल चालू है हमारा।
In today's time, when inflation has become the talk of the town, such an effort by Mahavir Youth Foundation is really laudable and will go a long way in serving humanity and bringing people together.
Indian Railways is leaving no stone unturned in its fight against COVID-19. Be it turning the coaches into isolation wards or introducing sanitization tunnels, the Railways is doing every bit to contain the spread. Let's take a look at the preventive measures that it took recently. Indian Railways goes full throttle in fight against COVID-19. For the coronavirus patients in Delhi, Indian Railways has converted its coaches into an isolation center. The train is currently stationed at Shagurbasti Railway Station in the national capital. However, it is only for asymptomatic positive patients or those with very mild symptoms. As soon as the condition of any patient gets severe, they will be shifted to associated hospitals. Every coach will have one doctor, one nurse from paramedical staff, one attendant and one cleaner. Facilities of oxygen cylinders are also made at the isolation facility by railways.
एक कोच के अंदर 9 कूपे होते हैं, जिसमें से एक कूपे मेडिकल और पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ को दिया जाता है और 8 कूपे जिसमें 16 पेशेंट जो हैं वो इस कोच के अंदर रह सकते हैं और ऐसे 10 कोच हमने अभी रखे हैं। तो इसमें 160 पैसेंजर जो है वो इसमें अकोमोडेट किए जा सकते हैं।
Railway station in Patna, city of Bihar, has also installed a vending machine that dispenses mask and sanitizer bottles as the country is reeling under the threat of coronavirus. Keeping in mind the rapidly increasing cases of the virus, the railway station installed a machine which has masks and sanitizers at subsidized rates.
जो मास्क 95 स्टैंडर्ड वाले हैं उसकी कीमत 100 रुपीज़ है। सैनिटाइजेशन के लिए जो छोटी सीसी और बड़ी सीसी है 50 रुपीज़ और 100 रुपीज़ करके हैं, ये अवेलेबल है। पैसेंजर्स को करना सिर्फ इतना ही है, कोई बॉदरसम प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। वेरी सिंपल कि जो आप कोड देखते हैं, जो आइटम आपने पसंद किया, बड़ी सीसी, छोटी सी या मास्क, उसके नीचे कोड लगे हुए, उस कोड को दबा देना है। मॉनिटर पर ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगा कि इतने प्राइस हैं, वह करेंसी नोट दे देना है। मशीन ऑटोमेटिक वे में उसको शक कर लेती है और आपके सामान ऊपर से ड्रॉप हो जाते हैं।
The way Indian Railways is aiding the fight against COVID-19 is truly commendable and will definitely go a long way. That's all we have for you this week. Your comments and suggestions are important to us. Do give us your feedback at myindia@anin.com. I'm your host Skyrim, and it's goodbye from the entire production team.